I didn't get to do anything.
Loser! Come on,
Hey,
Can I join?
you wanna join? Yeah, you can become part of the video if you wanted to.
Because I don't want to make videos.
Then why didn't you let me cheat?
How's that?
Just kidding. Then why didn't you let me teach you?
You're not playing. Oh, you're playing. Don't press the button.
I'm gonna press the button.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's the banana.
Banana!
Okay, that was actually
It's
pretty
Banana
funny.
Man. Oh, God. Wait, how do I die to this thing? Oh my God, I'm gonna die. I'm behind you guys.
Except for we you have to team up.
Oh my God!
Maximum! We saved their lives!
Not really.
Now we have to attack.
That one.
Yes. Okay, no. I think it's straight.
I died.
Yes, it's straight. No, it's not straight anymore. No, okay, so it's not that side. Yes! Yes, come on. Yes! I'm gonna hit the button. Hit the button.
I
Yeah!
pressed it. Okay. Oh. Fire?
Yes.
Okay, oh my God.
Fire extinguisher! Get it!
Grab it.
I don't have a fire extinguisher. With the banana!
Shut up. What are you doing?
Trying to find. I can't find a fire.
Yeah, she's stupid. What is that? I just saw
Oh,
something.
300 coins. It costs that much? Oh. I
You
don't-
stupid ass girl.
Oh wait, I
Speedrunner,
pressed
son of a
menu.
speed. Time to click the button. Ready.
Where did you press? I think it was gonna be a nuke.
You need to press the button.
Wait, what?
Keep spamming!
Oh,
I'm really funny. Everyone that has a blue shirt, that's a little bit like it.
No, you have bricks on your shirt.
No, look at me. I'm at the side of you. Dude, I'm over here.
I know. I'm trying to get a.
Oh.
What is this coin? Let's go. Let's get through the wall.
We're gonna die. Yep, I knew it. Where's your body? Ah!
No, it's not that bad.
Ooh. Oh,
Hey, Vsauce, Michael.
what the?
Okay.
What's this?
Ah!
Asteroid!
I love looking in the sky, but
There's asteroid!
and I'm gonna. Oh man.
You just died.
Yeah, you disturbed me.
I died too.
Sometimes I wonder maybe we should do the Brookhaven. We should continue Brookhaven series.
I don't want to. I hate that
Man, if we had enough money to buy the Gearshock speed coil. I don't know if it's right for this.
Gear shock.
Oh, never mind. Hit the button.
We need 300 with this game for cash grab.
Oh.
What's this?
I'll just go straight.
He likes to play.
Yeah, Memes, you got the diamond. What do you get?
Just a diamond. Normal diamond. Let's go.
Oh man, that sucks.
Yeah.
What the? Oh.
I'm a cheater, I believe.
No, that's how you're supposed to play it.
I know, but I'm cheating.
Hold up.